It's SVT Garage 2026, January 7th, I think it is?
Yes, 7th.
We told you we got some big news for you guys, and we do, so let's flip this around and show you what we got. Welcome to SVT Garage. We have been grinding, we have been working, we have been hustling to get to this point. We have our own official garage, and we couldn't make it happen without everybody you see here in the video. So huge shout out to these guys. Huge thanks for the car community that keeps us motivated and keeps us in here. So let's do a quick walk around, a walk through, and see what we got. You know, you got Ryan's car. You know, you got Red Fire #1 right here. It's the best one in the group. You got Joe's Big Bird over there. Sean's got the Shelby GT500. We got a new Terminator owner. We got Mr. Ryan here, #2, with the 03, right? Yep. And we have our very first customer's car for the shop. And this was delivered to us from West Palm Beach, and we are going to give it the SVT Garage touch. So let's do a quick walk around and see what we got. Most importantly, you guys know we're in Florida. We got some air conditioning, so that was a huge win for when we came and looked at this shop. Coming in here, we got our office. This is going to be all decked out. We're moving in some parts, and we're going to essentially have this all desk, chairs, seating, and all that. We've got our brand new lift that we just picked up today. This is a Champion 2-post. Got the new Champion 2-post lift, and we picked this up today out of like Tampa area. So shout out to Champion for hooking us up with this. Being delivered tomorrow, we got a 4-post lift that's going right here. That should be here, I think, around 11. We bought it used, but got a killer deal on it. It's super nice. We're gonna get it cleaned up and get this thing in here. Should we tell them about the pod? Where we're gonna shoot the podcast? Oh yeah, right up there. So we're gonna turn that up into a little like a loft for when we're doing a podcast, and we're gonna see how it works out. It's pretty roomy up there, and throw some lighting and some stuff on the back wall and make it look cool. This right here, as of right now, is gonna be kind of like a lounge area for people coming in and hanging out and chilling. And like I said, the 2-post is gonna go here. Guys, we're just gonna turn this into like a family / friend / Terminator capital of the world, right?
Starting with the 1-2 post, I think the goal is to get a second one in front of it eventually.
Yep. We're gonna get this in, and then
like within 6 months.
Yeah. So hopefully, again, about halfway through here, we'll have a second 2-post up in front of it, and we're currently moving in. Today's kind of like our move-in day. Cars are not staying. This was just for the garage, just so we can get this going. And
How much power's in here? A lot.
there's a lot. I mean,
A lot. There's a lot of power here.
there's a bunch of powers.
We're just missing the silver.
I'd say,
Yeah.
what, 4,500?
And we're missing Brad's GT500.
Yeah. So Brad out there, he's kind of coming along the group here. Brad, you got a GT500, right?
Yep.
Grabber.
Grabber blade.
And what's all done to that thing?
It's got a full exhaust, intercooler. Other than that, just drive it around, have fun with it.
So more of like a fun street car.
Yeah, not too much.
So you guys will see that car on the channel here moving forward. So he's going to be coming in here and hanging out with us. The outside here, guys, it's pretty awesome. Huge shout out to my son. If you guys, we haven't got this thing on the channel yet, but his Ion Redline just came out of paint. The whole car was painted. Went with a nice base coat, clear coat with my boy Gray. Did the whole car, and then we got some wheels on there. So you guys will see a little bit of this. We got a cool build on that coming. But property wise, we've got some room, and the idea is this is basically on both sides of the unit, so there's plenty of parking. We're gonna come here and kind of do some event days for the garage, you know, kind of do meet and greets, some shop tours, but you know, we want to just do like our own little cars and coffee stuff, like kind of like private events, and then you know, maybe like a car show once a month or something where we can just fill up this parking lot and have a good time with everybody. It's in a nice industrial area, so there's nothing out here. It's just a good location. It works for us, and we're excited about this, guys. So we have got some decorating to do. We got some painting to do. We have to get the lifts put in. We're hopefully doing that tomorrow. We have the other one getting delivered at 11. No, I'm sorry, it's getting picked up at 11. Should be here by about 1. And we're going to get that thing pressure washed, and then we're going to put a nice fresh coat of paint on it. But, guys, we can't thank you enough. It's SVT Garage. We're grinding away. We were excited about all this, and we want to make it happen. So we can't thank you guys for trusting us, checking out our content. Continue, just kind of following and subscribing. It goes a long way. We do appreciate it. So let's end this here, and you guys are gonna see a full build series on this garage here. So we're gonna make this kind of an event for us too. So stay tuned. It's Chris,
Ryan,
Joe,
Sean,
Ryan, Caden,
Emma.
it's SVT Garage, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.